In today's video, you are going to learn how to find out SCF, highest common factor. In previous video also you have learned how to find out highest common factor, that is SCF. But in this video you will learn practice set 12 question number 1. This is practice set 12. We will solve question number 1. Find the SCF. This is first example from practice set 12 question number 1. Find out SCF of 25 and 40. Here we will find out factors of 25 that you have already learned. See, first prime number of 25 is 5. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 is prime number, so we have to write 5 ones are 5. Now 40. First prime number, lowest prime number of 40 is 2. 2 20s are 40. Again prime number of 20 is 2. 2 10s are 40. Again prime number of 10 is again 2. Because why? Because in its place 0 0 0 is there. You have to use divisibility test of 2 for here. See, again it is divisible by 2. So 2 5s are 10 and 5 is prime number. So 5 ones are 5. Now here you have to write all prime factors of 25. Which are that? 5 into 5. And prime factors of 40 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now we have to find out common factors. See, common factors now. In these factors, 5 is there. Is there 5 here down? Yes, it is there. So 5 is common. Here again one more 5 is there. Downside another 5 is there? No. So only 5 is common factor. So SCF of 25 and 40 is 5. So common factors we will write here first 5 and SCF is also 5. Now see second example, 56 and 32. So 56 is divisible by 2 because at unit place 6 is there. So 2 28s are 56. Then again 28 is divisible by 2 because in its place 8 is there. Then 2 14s are 28. If you don't know how to solve that, you can anywhere you can divide. Suppose 56 divided by 2 if we will do, then 2 2s are 4, 1 and 6. Then 2 8s are 16. 0 0. So our quotient is 28. So here you can write 28. Same way you have to find out all factors. Now 14. 2 7s are 14 and 7 is prime number. So 7 ones are 7. Here 32. 32 is divisible by 2. 2 16s are 32 or 16 2s are 32. Again 16 is divisible by 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So these are factors of 56 and these are factors of 32. You have to write that factors. See here, factors of 56 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 and factors of 32 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So find out common. First 2 is common, second 2 is common, third 2 is common. Here 7, but here 7 is not there. So common factors are 2 into 2 into 2. And so SCF is multiplication of these factors. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now see this third example here. 3 numbers are there, 40, 60 and 75. So factors of 40. Lowest factor of 40 is 2. So 2 20s are 40. Again lowest factor of prime factor of 20 is 2. 2 10s are 20. Then 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5. Same way here for 60. Unit place 0 is there. So lowest prime factor is 2. 2 30s are 60. 2 15s are 30. Now at unit place number is not divisible by 2. So we will search for 3. Yes, in 3's table 15 is there. So 3 5s are 15 and 5 is prime number. 5 1s are 5. Same way divisibility test of 3 here applicable. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. So 25 is there. Now 25 is not divisible by 2 also, not by 3 also. So it is divisible by 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 is prime number 1. 5 1s are 5. Now here see factors, all factors are written 40s, then 60s and 75s. Now we have to find out common factor. See 2, only here 2 where it is common. 2 is again 40 and 60 it is common. But we have to find out common factors of all three. So 5 is common. Here 5, here is 5 and here is 5. So common factor is 5. So SCF is also 5. Now see here fourth example, 16 and 27. Factors of 16. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Factors of 27. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So here factors are written. See common factors now. 16, all prime factors are 2 2 2 2 and here 27 3 3 are there. No common factor. So when common factors are not there, always 1 is common for that. So here common factor is 1. So SCF is also 1. Now see this fifth example, 18, 32 and 48. Factors of 18, 2, 3, 3. Factors of 32, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Factors of 48, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. Now write that factors and search common factor. Only 2 is common here. Here 3 is there, but here in 32 3 is not there. Here in 48 3 is there, but we want common factor in all three numbers. So common factor is 2 and SCF is 2. Now see this sixth example, factors of 105 and factors of 154 we have to find out. Here in its place 5 is there, so it is not divisible by 2. So it is divisible by 3 or not. How you will search? Add digits of that number. So 5 plus 1 is 6. And 6 is in 3's table, means 6 is divisible by 3, so whole number is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 5 7s are 35 and 7 is prime factor, so 7 1s are 7. Same way here it is divisible by 2 because in its place 4 is there. 2 7s are 14 and 2 7s are 14. Again 7 is prime factor divisible for this 77. So 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7 and 11 1s are 11. So factors of 105 are 3 into 5 into 7 and factors of 154 are 2 into 7 into 11. So here common factors are, is there 3 down? No. Is there 5 down? No. Here 7 is common. So 7 and 7 are common. So here I have written 7. So SCF of these two numbers is 7. Now here are again three numbers in seventh example, 42, 45 and 48. So factors of 42 are 2, 3 and 7. Factors of 45 are 3, 3 and 5. Factors of 48 are 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. If you are having any question about finding factors, you can ask me in comments, okay? Now we will write factors of all that numbers, 42, 45 and 48. See here, this in these factors, what is common? Here is 2, but here 2 is not there. So 2 is not common. Then here is 3, here is 3, here is 3. Yes, 3 is common. So you can circle it. Here is 7, but here and here 7 is not there. So which one is common factor? Only 3. So SCF is also 3. Now see this 8th example, 57, 75 and 102. Factors of 57. 57's addition of these digits is 5 plus 7, 12. 12 is in 3's table. So it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 9s are 27. And 19 is prime number. So 19 1s are 19. 75's factor, 5 15s are 5 or 15 5s are 75. Then 5 3s are 15 and 3 1s are 3. Here again 2 factors of 102, 2, 3 and 17. Here factors are written. Now common factors. See here 3 is there, here 3 is there and here also 3 is there. Only 3 is common. So common factors are written here 3 and SCF is 3. Now this is 9th example, 56 and 57. Find out factors of 56. lowest factor is 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, and 7 1s are 7. And factors of 57, here in this example you have seen factors of 57, same 3, then 19, and 19 ones are 19. Now we will write down horizontally factors of 56 and 50. Now see here, is there common factor in 56 and 57? Is there? No. So when common factor is not there, always 1 is common. So common factor is 1 and SCF is also 1. Now see this last example, 777, 315 and 588. Factors are there. It is divisible by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Again 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 7s are 21. Then 37 is prime number, that you know. So 37 ones are 37. Same way factors of 315, factors of 588. So here horizontally we have written all factors. Now see common factors. This 7 is there. Is there 7 anywhere? Yes, it is there. So 7 and 7 is common. Then here 3 is there. That I will write here 7. Now here 3 is there. Here is 3. Yes, it is there. Here, yes, it is there. So 3 is also common. So I will write here 3 also. Now 37. Is there 37? No. So common factors are 7 and 3. So multiplication of 7 and 3 is 21. So SCF of these three numbers is 21. Hope you understood all that examples. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.